First up, we got Southern style green beans. Now these aren't your average beans. We add fresh green beans and season them up just right. The secret is in the patience, right? You let them simmer. You let them simmer low and slow until they're tender, savory, and full of smoky goodness. That's a pot of beans that'll warm you from the inside out. All right, that's how you do green beans the Southern way. Now let's switch gears and bring in a little sweetness. Next, we got candied yams. Now these are rich, buttery, and sweet enough to feel like a dessert. We start with thick-cut, sweet yams, then coat them in a blend of butter, sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. As they bake, the sauce turns into a glossy, glaze that soaks right into every slice, so they become soft, sweet, and spiced just right. This is one of those recipes that makes anybody feel like it's a celebration going on. Now let's wrap it up with a little something warm and golden fresh from the oven. And nothing says comfort like a hot skillet of honey butter cornbread, right? We mix up a classic cornbread batter, pour it in, and bake it till it becomes golden and fluffy. But the real magic is in the honey butter. We brush it on while it's warm so it soaks in and gives every bite that sweet, buttery finish. It's real simple, folks, and it's soulful. And it's always a crowd pleaser. And there you have it, 3 Southern classics: savory green beans, sweet candied yams, and honey butter cornbread. Each one of these brings its own flavor, its own story, and a whole lot of comfort. I hope y'all enjoyed this trip through the kitchen and down memory lane. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like these and let me know which one of these you'll be making first. Until next time, I'm AB, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.